Okay guys, I just want to show off some, you guys some of the 1/10 scale decals that I'm looking to put on some of my cars. I'm looking to convert some of them to real drift machines. So this is a beauty, guys. This is going to be part of the body shells I'm going to show you anyway, killer body shells, but I thought I'd just use it as a backdrop, guys, and I'm showing you some of my decals. Okay, so this is what I was thinking, guys. You might disagree with me. I mean, these decals I got them from Lithuania. It's a company there. And you won't be able to see these guys, but they're like white decals. They'll show up on darker colours really well. They're quite similar to what's on the car there. Alright, I thought maybe, I mean, you can't go wrong. You can always put them somewhere on a car. Alright, so that will probably cover the sills, maybe part of the boot, maybe more on the bonnet. But I don't know, I was thinking, should I do a monster look on it? Maybe have the monster decal on the bonnet and then have a little bit on the sides. Because it's black. If the roll cage was green, that would be mad, but I did one like this in the past. It was the GTB Hobeo 1/8 scale car. It looked pretty cool because it had two-tone, flip-tone paintwork. So yep, that's the other option. Alright, so I got a few extra monster ones. I don't think Red Bull's gonna look pretty good in it. Red Bull decals look amazing on, you know, your candy blue or your purples. They just look mad on them. So they'll probably get used somewhere, if not here. And I bought a few extra monster ones just in case I decide to do it on another project. Okay, I got quite a few stickers. They're like 100 pack ones from Japan. I don't know if you guys are interested in seeing all these, but they're pretty cool. They're bigger than what I expected, but they are separate stickers, and some of them are pretty funky. So I will definitely use some of them, if not all. Alright, so a lot of them are like logos of companies, you know, so you got like old Coca-Cola, you've got, I don't think Red Bull's in there, but you've got like Pepsi and Rockstar and stuff like that. So I'll take a few out in a bit, guys, show you them. Right, and now this is what I'm swinging towards. So you've seen going with a monster look. Let me know what you guys think. That's one side, yeah, that's one look we can go for. But I was swinging towards this to kind of keep it, I don't know, man, keep it in line with the Japanese kind of theme. I thought the flag wise it'd be pretty cool to have some decals, right? Not these ones here. Let me just show you. Let me start off with the ones I'm not going to use. Alright, I'll leave the best till last. Okay, so I was contemplating a dragon on each side of the car. It would kind of go, but I don't know. So if not on this car, maybe another one. Alright, and then we've just got some simple drift. I'm not going to put Batman on it, I'll say that. I was actually going to make a 1/10 scale Batman car, so stay tuned for that. We'll see how that gets on. This looks pretty cool on black. You won't be able to see much of it right at the moment, but it'd go across like a bonnet of a car. Okay, and I'm not too sure about these, but they're quite similar as well. They really show up on dark colours. Alright, and that's reversed, so there's two of them. Could go on either side, but they're okay. I mean, they were the early ones I was going to get, but I've got some better ideas now. Alright, we'll move towards what I'm thinking about doing, guys. I wouldn't use it on this car, but it's got the right kind of idea. It's got the Japanese flag. I'd probably use this on a car that I've got coming up, which is the R35 Skyline, which is in lava red. That would look pretty cool on there, so I'm going to save them for that. So I don't know if you guys can get the kind of gist of what I'm thinking. I could cut them to shape, but that's not going to go with it because it's got what, you know, I don't think it'll go with it. So now I'm torn between these two. Okay, so that's the first one. I think that would look alright. If I shape it up towards a car, it may mean cutting up parts of the decals to fit, but, or even cutting it in half and placing some parts in different areas, you know. I'll see. I'm still in two minds. I mean, that won't look too bad in the bonnet, the actual flag itself. So, and maybe just having half of that there. So yep, that's an option. Got two for both sides. And then this one, similar kind of thing. So obviously shape it up, cut it on the fenders, and just get it to fit onto the car. If I'm going to do the drift mission with it, I think it'll look okay because the roll cage is red anyway. But yep, and even that wouldn't look too bad if I had the flag there. You could even have part of the flag on the roof as well. That's a bit of a different look, but anyhow, I suppose the beauty is that having your own unique look and flair. So, we shall see. The jury's still out. I'm still debating how I'm going to go with it. Here's a few more decals, some that I've had before, some that I got recently, so let's have a look. Okay, so these are miniature ones. They'd probably work really good in a Mini Z and in small spaces on this car. Here's the tyre decals. I think this is Yokohama. And these will fit 4 tyres, I think. 1, 2, 3, yeah, I think it will. Are there 2 sides to it? Yeah. Okay, so each tyre is going to take 2. So 2, 4, 6, 8. Yeah, so it'll do a set. You're getting a little bit more with the Michelin ones here. Okay, and then we've got these drifting tyres. Drifting decals underneath here, which they'll probably fit and look pretty awesome anyway. Alright. Can you see these properly, guys? I should just take them out. Right, okay. Didn't take too long. Let's just move on. I don't want to make this video too long. I'm going to convert one car. It should be coming up, guys. It's quite similar to an R8. It's in black. So I'm going to turn that into my 110 scale police car. So I've got my 110 scale police decals. Alright. And I will be wrapping it instead of painting it. I just like the wrap because the wrap is glow in the dark. And I've got the option between green and blue looks mental. Especially if you've got a blue light, flashing light. So yep. I have got smaller ones as well, just in case. I am going to do some, I'm still going to carry on with some of my smaller projects. So my Mini Zs, I'm going to be changing some of them into police cars as well. I managed to get hold of some light bars. So I'll be changing around a few of them cars too. Right. But yeah, but check out, I'll probably make a vid of how I'm going to, change over the 110 police car. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Here's just a little bit more. Alright, there's I was going to do a General Lee at some point in a small scale. But yeah, so there's a few more police decals. That's more like the English style of decals, right? And at some point I was going to do a mini General Lee, but let's see how that works out. Okay. And I think that's my decals for the moment. And then it's a case of making a choice out of these little bad boys. And let me get a pack of these open so just have a quick look. These are available on eBay. The mainly Chinese sellers that are selling them. Ooh, all falling down. And yeah, you might recognise some of the logos, guys. I don't know if you're gonna, but I'll be picking these up afterwards. So they're not bad. I mean, they're quite big, but on 110 scale cards, they won't look too bad. Alright, okay. That just gives you an idea, but I basically bought 3 packs. They'll come in useful somewhere. Alright, I think that's a funky little pack. Let's cut this one open, have a look at it. So again, we've got some funky decals. Yeah, I could definitely use that. So some of them not too bad. Pretty cool. Definitely usable. Drifting upside down, sorry guys. So yeah. So if not all of them, some of them will definitely get used. And stay tuned for them. Right, okay, just want to show you them. Let me know guys if you've got any ideas. What do you think? Shall I leave it as it is? Is it just a beautiful shell? Don't mess with it, keep it as it is? Or should we cake it out? Should we go nuts with it? Let me know what you guys think. But be ready, that's going to come, you're going to see that displayed on the display stand with a chassis underneath it. It's going to look mental guys. Stay tuned for that guys. I'll get subscribed, notified. Mossy5734. This is just the route to the fruit. Plenty more to come guys. Get RC tuned.